New generation of wealth builders.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use the copy trading feature of BitGet. So what is copy trading? Copy trading is the feature or the ability to copy automatically another trader. So in BitGet, you can try to access the copy trading by going to trade and then go down on the lower section, copy. There are several features of the copy trading. There is a BitGet Trader program, which is a program to unleash the trading potential and becoming a BitGet certified elite trader. And on this video, I'm going to talk about how to use futures copy trading and spot copy trading. We can also talk about a little of bot copy trading. So let's start with futures copy trading. So in the futures copy trading, you have several categories wherein you can see the top traders, the high return of investment or ROI, the high yield traders, the highest copiers PNL, or the most copied. There are also a section here for the new elite traders if you want to copy them. You might feel overwhelmed with all of the data that you can see here, but let's try to talk about it one by one. So in the categories that I mentioned earlier, you can choose which traders you wanted to copy. And on each category, there are sections for the 30-day profit, the 30-day max drawdown, the 30-day win rate. So if this is something that you wanted to explore per trader, this is where you can see that. So for example, you wanted to copy this high ROI. By the way, I think for futures trading, there's no limit for the copying. But in spot trading, I think there's a limit on who can copy a particular trader. So let's go here with BG user. So let's copy this because this has a high 30-day ROI, which is 3,000%. So let's copy that. In futures copy trading, there are two features. One is the smart copy and the other one is the diverse follow if you are an aggressive investor. But for the sake of the newcomers, we're gonna stick with copy trading because this mirror the exact proportion as the trader you copy. So you can though decide how much to invest in each trader. And here you can set how much you want to copy for the trader. For example, I only have $100 here. So let's try to use all of that. And then here, this is a very important checkbox because if you decide to leave this checked, you will copy all positions, including the existing positions of this particular trader. And then the buy side or the price that you will buy or that you will copy is at the market price. The problem or the risk for this is that in case the copy trader already has existing positions, you might be able to copy it at a higher price or at a lower price, depending on the market condition. Also, we have the equity guardian feature where you can stop copy trading when the net loss reaches a particular USDT amount. So you can use this as a safeguard or a safety net so that your capital will not be burned in case the trader doesn't have any stop losses or any risk management. Let's try to edit this one. So you can put here USDT or the USDT amount or by percentages. So for example, if the price or if the position of the copy trader or the trader reaches below certain percentage like 50%, you will automatically close the position for that particular trade. So let's just set it 50% for now. But you can customize this according to your personal preference. I think this is an advanced settings. You can click the more settings and then there are several features as well over here. Auto copy, it means automatically copy the elite trader's new futures trading pair. So just allowing you that you wanted to copy the new existing or the new future trading pairs. And then here, you can also select which trading pairs you wanted to copy. If you don't want to copy a certain pair, you can exclude it here or include if you wanted to limit down the pairs that you wanted to copy from this particular trader. So there's also risk management, stop loss ratio, and take profit ratio. So you can also set the margin mode and leverage adjustment. So in this particular setting, we follow the trader's settings. So click confirm. So once you're okay with this, if you're okay with the users, ROI, win rate, assets under management, if you're okay with this user, you can click on copy. All right. Next, let's go back to spot copy trading. So this is the second tab on the top left of this page. So there are also categories of each elite trader. There are top traders with the high ROIs, high yields as well, highest copiers PNL, most copied. I think you can view more traders here, but those are the most common categories that you can copy with this feature. So let's, for example, we wanted to copy the high ROI top trader. Like I said earlier, there's a limit on how many copiers for this particular elite trader. So I think this is 1,000 copier and the max copiers is 1,100. So it's almost full. So let's try to, so I think you need to hold 500 BGP to gain exclusive access to this elite trader. So let's just not use that because I don't have any VGB right now. But for example, we can select this one because this has a free copying slot. So let's try to, if you're okay with the total PNL, this also has the percentage, the PNL, and the copier's PNL, and then the assets under management. So I think this is 85,000, and then the copiers all time. So let's click copy. So this is a little bit different from the ones from the futures trading settings, but this also has the copy trading pairs. You may include or exclude certain pairs that you wanted to copy. I will not click the advanced for now. If you are unsure what parameters you wanted to use, you can click apply parameters over here. However, this is just a sample recommendation and not an advice. So just it's better that you understand what the settings are. So for example, I have here $1,000. I don't have $3,000. I only have $100. So that's the amount that I wanted to use as a copy trading here. You can also add multipliers in case you wanted to multiply how much the trader buys or sells. There is also a risk manage over here and then auto copy new trading pairs. Okay? In the advanced section, let's click here. It just enables settings for each trading pair. So if you have 301 selected over here, you have 301 advanced selection for each pair. This is handy if you wanted to have different risk settings for each particular trading pair. But if you're new, I'll just suggest to leave this out as is. So once you're done, once you accepted the settings, you can click on next. And then you can confirm the copy trading details. It will list all the copy trading pairs that you selected earlier. There is also another copy trading feature, which is the copy bot copy trading. So you can select the top bots of the week, top sellers, trending strategies. So you can explore this aside from the futures and spot copy trading. So that's how you use BitGet's copy trading feature.